And today, well, excuse me, what we're looking at is we're looking at this project here for Janice and Harley, and we're doing the tank, we're doing the mudguard, two mudguards on that, and we're doing the two side panels, and we're doing the bodywork, all the bodywork, right down to bare metal, and you can see that one's there. Now that's the rear mudguard, right back to bare metal. We've had to do quite a bit of bodywork on there, lead loading on this. I had to do a bit of lead loading because it was welded in certain places, and we had to get it back to nice metal. And let's start again. Let's just do what we do, and we do it right first time. Okay, so we don't want any unpleasant mistakes, but we're nice and toasty in here, so it's not too bad. So yeah, we get back to metal and we do all the body work, and then when the body work's done, we put 2K primer filler on there. Okay, and then we block it down. So we're at the blocking down stage. Some of the parts have already been done. Okay, we've got this is one of the side panels. Alright, that's the side panel, and it's all been 2K primer. Alright, and it's been blocked down, ready for the black. So what are we doing today? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you what we do with the primer and how we block it down. So the artwork for this, you can see this now. This is the artwork for what we're going to do. This was originally done by Mike Lovelli in America. No longer with us, sadly. He died last year, unexpected. Absolutely fantastic airbrush artist, especially on the old flames. We're doing the artwork in whites and greys and blacks. Okay, obviously we just leave, it's already black, so we leave it black, don't we? So, and then we're going to put a nice purple candy over the top, and then we're going to go back in with highlights on the top of that. So we do all the flames first, and then we do all the artwork on top of that. So let's get cracking with this. Now this is 2K primer, and we put a guide coat on there, and that's to assist us. You can do it without, okay, but there is bodywork on there, and to make sure that we get it all nice and flat, okay, and we get any unevenness out, we put this guide coat on the top of that, okay. And as we rub it, okay, and then you can already see, okay, it's rubbing it off and it's rubbing the black away, so you can actually see where, okay, see that part there? If you can see that, let's just zoom in on that. Just see that, yeah, see that there? Okay, so that's a little low spot there. Okay, and that's what the primer filler's for. Okay, so we get a nice surface on that there. Alright, ready for our beautiful paint. Okay, so that's what we do with that. We go all over that with this. Okay, there's a little block. Okay, it's Velcro block. And what paper we're using? Well, I'm using 320 on this, because what I intend to do is with this, guide coat it again, and then do it with 600. Okay, because it is black. Now if we do metallics, I go to 800. Okay, so let's just have a look at that, and you can see it's going really nice, and it's nice and flat, and all the black's removed. Now we do that all over. Okay, so we do that all over. Okay, let's just pan out again. Alright, so we do that all over this. Right, now we've got another little block we use. It's called a double density block, and that's what we're going to use as well for the parts that are not rounded, or sorry, not flat. Okay, so one side one side is less firm than the other. The black side is a lot firmer. Okay, so there's two sides to that. Alright, we can use that, and we're going to use that. So obviously we use that on there. You can see I've already started on there. Okay, and I use this for that. Okay, for that there, and then we do that, guide coat it, and then do it with 600 again there, just to get it, to make sure we get the scratches out from the 320. So that's what we're going to do with that. This is the mudguard. Okay, we need to put some bodywork on that, so that's all nice and ready for the old blocking down. And then that's stated on that note. Okay, this is very, very important that you do the blocking down correctly. Everything we do now will show up in the paint. Okay, so it's very important to make sure you get this stage ready, because this is what we're doing. We're getting it ready for the paint. It's no good putting the paint on unless it's ready. Okay, and it's right. If it's not right, and you find that you've got some more bodywork, do it, and then put some more primer on. It's no skimping. So that's what we're going to do. So Happy New Year again. Alright, let's look forward to the spring, because I hate this cold weather. It's no good for nobody, isn't it? And let's get, hopefully, you know, you're all safe and sound, and let's get on those bikes hopefully soon, and let's get riding. So see you on the next one.